We are excited to announce the release of the General Mustering Report alongside Primo version 1.4. What is a mustering report? Muster reporting is the process of gathering and accounting for all individuals in a safe area in the event of an emergency. This report can be to determine who is at risk and needs assistance. However, muster reporting isn't just a feature for security emergencies. It can also be used in scenarios such as a gas leak, evacuation, or even severe weather conditions. In these cases, it's essential to know where your employees are, who is accounted for, and who is not. Here's an example scenario. At a manufacturing plant, a sudden gas leak is detected. The emergency system activates an alarm and begins the evacuation process, also triggering the access control system to enter emergency mode if it is configured to do so. Throughout the manufacturing plant, there are designated and clearly marked mustering points where each employee is able to report. This allows safety personnel to utilize Primo's mustering report to track all employees on site and monitor who has successfully reported to their mustering point. The report can also be filtered to quickly identify who is present, absent, has exited the building but has not yet arrived at a mustering point, or remains unaccounted for and needs to be located. To use the mustering report, we first need to configure reader access points as dedicated mustering points. The process begins by logging into the Primo web interface. Navigate to the system's hardware menu. Highlight the Reader tab. You can now choose the reader you wish to designate as a mustering point, and the mustering report will use data from this specific reader. You can select as many mustering points as needed for your site. This is the only configuration necessary to enable mustering on your selected readers. In a typical emergency scenario, you may use a dedicated workstation at the mustering point or even a mobile device. After logging into the web interface, navigate to the Reports section and select the General Mustering Report. The General Mustering Report draws information from all the mustering points that have been configured for the site, and consolidates the information in one report. You will be presented with a pre-generated and populated report ready for use. From here, you can easily identify the status of each person on site, including details such as which mustering point they used and the time they were last seen. Additionally, you can view a quick summary of personnel on site, those who have mustered, and those who remain unaccounted for. We can also use the tabbed views below to quickly see more details on personal statuses and their details. The mustering report also has various filters that can be used should you need more granular information, such as searching for a specific person or even a department. The mustering report also has an additional feature whereby we can manually muster personnel. Clicking on a member will show us options to change their status to mustered. First, choose the mustering point the credential holder reported to by selecting the appropriate location from the drop-down menu. After clicking the Manually Muster button, the individual's status will be updated immediately. We hope that this overview will help you understand the mustering report for Primo 1.4. Thank you for watching.